She's a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in General Science with honors. Stewardship graduate with honor. Ano? Nakabasa ka ng score na hindi. Iloilo Leadership Awardee 2004. SSC President Main Campus 2004. Completed Masters include this girl is a small girl, but she completed Master's degree in Science and Management, University of Iloilo. Leadership and organizational roles, President of Company Global Foundation Singapore, Triumvirate member GMADDI Guardians, Philco member Philippine Embassy in Singapore, founder of OFW Zumba, and volunteer host over 70 Filipino community events. She's an organizer of Stylistas Season 3, Boys for a Cause Season 4, Miss Gown Solo Singapore, LRM Dragon Tribe, Miss Resplendent Event Coordinator.